Go to 14 years back and see the river bed of Mahanadi. Now we are looking the river bed of Mahanadi, where there is some grasses, no bush or no tree. Only some grasses are there. We are looking at river bed, middle of river Mahanadi. No bush or no tree are there. Mahanadi bridge. I will tell why I showed you the empty river bed of Mahanadi. There is footprint we are looking. In 1993, in the month of July, the sixth evening, I heard a voice that you go to the place on the upper side of Mahanadi Bridge, and that is the place where all the goddess and the god will appear, and that place is the place of Kalki Avatar. That means the last incarnation of God. So now 27 years already passed. So when I came to that place, there was not a single tree or even a bush, either upper side of river Mahanadi or inside river Mahanadi. Now we'll see the upper portion as well as the river bed of Mahanadi, and think that whether there is God or not. So I am researching about the religions, the God and Goddess, and the human being and all the creatures. So which is true, which is false. The past are religion. So now whether we believe the religion, the religious book, or the science. So one is in front of us, that is science, and one is many years back with blind beliefs, and we must compare this time and that time. That time was the rulers, the kings, the emperors, the landlords, and they are ruling which is suitable to them, and people living at that time were not liberal as we are now. Therefore, our thinking must be liberal. So now we are looking a jungle inside river Mahanadi. Jungle, we call it Kanan. So it is called Ekamra Kanan. So can scientists, can the forest experts create a jungle inside river, inside a river bed? This is a challenge by God to the human beings. Create a jungle where 40 feet of, we are looking the some portion of Hirakud. You see the trees, the Lakshmanpuri hill, river Mahanadi. Previously, you have seen nothing is there, no tree, no bush is there, open space. Over the trees flows about 40 feet of uh, Hirakud Dam's water. This is a miraculous jungle, which is not possible at all by scientists or the forest experts. One left hand of goddess Sati is inside a stone, and that entire stone is now worshipped as goddess Lakshmi. You see, the hand, fingers, some fingers inside, and the palm as well as the large finger outside. Now the water is flowing, and some trees are seen inside the midst of river Mahanadi. We are looking some portion of Hirakud. There is Gandhi Minar, Hindalco. Midst of river Mahanadi. First, God created Hirakud Dam, and then the beautiful town of Burla, where there is engineering college, medical college, university, central school, blind and deaf school, +3 college, and planetarium is also there. So many things are created by God Kalki here to make his incarnation place, that is Guhira Tikra. Now the river is full of water. Only one or two trees are seen. This is the Lakshmi Mandir. Now the water is flowing with its full speed. About 30 to 40 feet of water are now flowing, and one or two trees of Ecambra forest are seen. Sometimes I think I am living inside the paradise of the world. So please come and see the different seasons, the different scenes of this Brahmasthal. You may be of any religion, but what I have seen and what I have heard and how I came to this place and how I am in lockdown since 27 years. I am also astonished sometimes. Yeah, how it could. I pray to Mother Brahmasri Durga, who appeared from the earth of this place, Guiratikra, and this is the front portion of Mother Sati, who was appeared since millions years ago. So how it was possible? The back part of Mother Sati found by Raja Balram Dev and she is the goddess is Devi Samaleswari. So the miracle of God is seen here, and I am thinking, what is religion, what is God, how the creatures are created, how human is created, whether Charles Darwin is true, or whether the ancient Purans or the ancient Dharma Granths, the religion's book, are they are true, or the science is true. So now the corona is moving throughout the world. So how it is created and how we will save from this. So it is written in Bhagavad in Guru Gobind Singh, the 10th Guru of Sikhism, that there will be one religion for whole human beings. So those will be under the truth of that religion, they will survive and others will be destroyed. So let us think a good time and we pray. I pray Mother Brahmasri Durga to save all the people of the world from this disaster. Namaste. Have a good day.